In this tutorial, we'll explore Prompt Library in NotebookOS. After you install the NotebookOS Chrome extension, open any NotebookLM notebook and go to the Studio panel. You'll see a new card called Prompt Library. Prompt Library is designed for NotebookLM chat. It helps you quickly insert useful prompts into the chat box, so you don't have to start from scratch every time. Click Prompt Library to open a collection of built-in prompts for common knowledge work. You'll find prompts for summarizing, extracting facts, analyzing sources, organizing ideas, writing documents, and learning from your notebook. You can also choose a reply language before inserting the prompt. To use a prompt, just click it. NotebookOS drops the prompt into the NotebookLM chat box. You can review it, edit it if needed, and then send it yourself. You can also search the prompt library to find the exact prompt you need. If you have a prompt you use often, click Save a Prompt. Add a name, paste your prompt text, and save it. Your custom prompt will appear in the library, ready to reuse in any NotebookLM notebook. Prompt Library is useful when you want better, repeatable chat workflows inside NotebookLM. It gives you ready-made thinking moves for working with your sources, while still letting you review and control the final prompt before sending.